Part of Dr. Asad Akbar Khan's job is to comfort his patients. But now, the cardiologist needs comforting.
What we are facing in cardiology right now is an acute shortage in certain stent sizes and other equipment like pacemakers. Certain medicines like IV heparin is currently running short in major cardiac centers in Pakistan. IV heparin is basically an anticoagulant which is used as a blood thinner.
Pakistan's health sector relies heavily on imports. For months, banks here have slowed down issuing credit to importers in a bid to save fast-depleting dollar reserves. This has created shortages in several items critical to hospital operations. Importers are frustrated too.
Since November, the banks have not made any commitments. At least 3 or 4 of my shipments are being held overseas. I call the bank daily for an update.
Pakistan's domestic pharmaceutical industry imports almost 95% of the raw material it needs. A steep decline in the value of rupee is adding to the cost of manufacturing medicines locally. Pharmaceutical companies are demanding price increases.
We are at a situation that some products have become unviable.
The government heavily regulates medicine prices and avoids price increases for fear of public backlash. The health ministry says it cannot help importers with the credit crunch, but is developing a proposal to get raw material from friendly countries to boost local manufacturing.
If those 2-3 countries give us a positive response, it's possible that we may not have to wait for letters of credit and address this with a different solution.
But this could take months. For now, hospitals are rationing items, prioritizing urgent cases, and reaching out to multiple vendors to continue operations. And vendors are selling their limited stock in small batches to avoid completely running out. Dr. Khan worries Pakistan's perpetually weak healthcare system may have to brace for more bad news.
The way things are, if they don't change, we might be facing a very crunch time in the near future.
Sara Zaman, VOA News, Islamabad.